Hello traders, this video is a technical analysis about Exxon Mobile Epic XOM listed on the Dow 30. The Exxon Mobile is one of the leader in the group of the sector of Dow 30. We are looking at a leader in the market. We know that if you want to swing trade, we are swing trading in the direction of the market. Number one. Second, we are trading also in the direction of the sector. Third, we are trading in the direction of the leaders of that particular sector. So we know that the Exxon Mobile is moving usually in the direction of Dow Jones because it's one of the leader in the group of Dow 30. So it's moving exactly in the same way like a Dow. The Dow Jones Index, my favorite, generous and friendly Dow Jones. Okay, so we are looking now on the daily chart of Exxon Mobile, one of the leaders in the market. And if you are trading Exxon Mobile, do not forget you are also trading crude oil. So because you are trading a leader, now you must pay attention to crude oil because this is a crude oil company. So if crude oil is going up, okay, there's a high probability that Exxon Mobile is going up also, unless there are some fundamental reason that will allow Exxon Mobile to go the opposite direction. So crude oil and Exxon Mobile usually we move in the same direction, and also Exxon Mobile is a leader in the group of the Dow 30. Very important. So you are trading first the market, then the sector, and then the leader. If you are trading the leader, then you must pay attention to what is directly connected to that leader. In this case is crude oil. So if I'm trading Exxon Mobile, I will definitely by all means look at crude oil. Very important strategy if you are a swing trader. Very important. Like I said to you before, we are not ordinary traders because there are traders there that are using the TSD-WSY S08 trading system, and we are doing this video for them. And for those who also we are using the TSD-WSY 008, the TSD-WSY, the TSD-W24, so they can have the strategy. This is what we call the protocols of the market. So you have the tools, you have the knowledge. Now this is about the protocol. How do you do it properly? And this is something that you need to learn and then try to apply and follow like a professional trader. We see that the price was in a consolidation zone here, blah 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 blah, and then boom, it went up. Okay, and then start the uptrend. The price, when the price is in an uptrend, there is a clear defined channel. Okay, if the price is in an uptrend, do not forget to draw your channel. If the price is in the uptrend, the price is in a channel. As you can see, okay, the price was in a clear-cut, gorgeous, and a beautiful channel. Okay, if you like my word gorgeous, I like to use that word a lot. For those of you who know now, okay, so the price is in the uptrend. Do not forget to draw your channel because it's telling you what is happening. You see how the price was in this channel. Okay, now do not forget also to draw your middle line. Okay, you can see here there was a middle line here, and then boom, the price switched to the other side and then pop out. Now what is the price doing? It went up and retest the edge of the channel. The same thing we are seeing for the QQQ, as one of the TST WSY S08 traders told me that time, that it's not QQQ. Now I prefer to say that. I know it's a QQQ 3 times, but I like to say QQQ. Okay, of course. All right, so the price now is retesting the edge like it's exactly happening for the QQQ. Okay, for those of you who are trading the ETF QQQ, exactly the similar thing. As you can see, the price at the edge here. Now, do you sell? You just sell because the price here. This is what traders are doing here. They were selling, and the price just going up. It's selling. The price just going up. But you must use your tool carefully. This is the gorgeousness of the TST-WSY S08 trading system. Okay, for those of you who are new to us, we are the TST-WSY S008 traders, also TST-WSY 08 traders, TST-W24 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-macd.com. This video is about technical analysis regarding Exxon Mobile. So the price pop out of the channel, the bullish channel is out of it, retesting it, but the price creates a new small channel here. Do not forget that it's not because the price came out of the channel, okay, then you should sell. Okay, the price is again in a new channel here, a kind of a small and tiny channel here. It can continue to ride this channel here and go back inside the channel, but when the price come out of the channel, people think that that's it, we must sell. Now wait for a signal to sell before you sell. Do not just sell, because this is what ordinary traders are doing. We are not ordinary traders. So if you are just selling here, okay, the price ignoring, and then you sell again here, you hoping that it's going to go down, and then you sell again here, hoping that it's going to go down, and then you sell again here, hoping that it's going to go down. But if you are using the TSDWSY S08 trading system, and the TSDWSY S08 trading system tell you here sell, and then the TSDWSY S08 trading system tell you here buy, you know that the music has changed. Do not ignore it. Do not ignore it. Do not ignore the TSDWSY S08 trading system. Master it. Use it properly. Like I said to you before, we are trading the market, then a sector, then a leaders. If the leader is connected to one particular commodity, you must pay attention to that. And in this particular case of Exxon Mobile, we will look at the crude oil. We know the situation in Libya now, so crude oil was going up, even though we said before that this thing is due for a pullback. Because of the situation in Libya, crude oil start going up again. And look what's happened. The price went out first, only to continue another movement to the upside because of the situation in Libya. So the TSDWSY 08 trading system will tell you surely that now is no more time to sell, and then you will just follow the TSDWSY 08 trading system or the TSDWSY 008 trading system. You see, this is what we see on the daily chart. Okay, it looks bullish. Okay, it pop out of this rising channel, now in a new rising channel. It's still bullish, touching this edge here. Okay, so now this is what we see on the daily chart. We will quickly, using the stable data higher time frame, command the lower time frame. Okay, very important. Do not stop on one particular time frame. Do not make your trading decision on one single time frame. Never ever do that. Okay, now you look at the weekly chart, waiting for my charting to come up here. So I will remove that drawing here. I will remove that. Okay, now so I remove that. This is what we see on the weekly chart. What do we have here on the weekly chart? Now you start drawing lines. Simple. Okay, resistance zone, hotspot trading zone, hotspot trading zone, hotspot trading zone again here. Okay, so this is a resistance zone. The price is near a hotspot trading zone. All this zone here, I'll draw another line here. It's another hotspot trading zone. The price touch it here, see touch it here, it touch it here. It's a hotspot trading zone. The price break above it. The next target is here, somewhere here. So we are again in the hotspot trading zone. The price is building a kind of double top. You can say that, but the candle, looking at the candle on the weekly chart, these are quite a bullish candle. 3 green candle here is quite bullish, but is again is bullish, but we are in the hotspot resistance zone like the Dow Jones. That's what I'm saying to you. The market is at a hotspot trading zone, so this is not the best time to swing trade anyhow, but an excellent place for day trading until the price break the resistance zone and retest it and find a support above the resistance zone, or the price find a resistance right there and turn around. So we are in a hotspot trading zone. Okay, drawing again your channel. You know that the price was in this channel here. You know that the price came out of this channel. Trader will project this channel from here to this level here. They project it to the other side. That's what we are now. We are just above it, and there is a small channel above that, and the price is right there now. Okay, this is what we see on the weekly chart. You do not assume anything, because you do not want to do something that the price is not about to do. You want to do something that the price is doing. So you wait for the price to show you what it's about to do before you take action. But if you are just selling here because the price is at a resistance zone, you are doing your own thing. The price can perfectly bypass what you are doing and continue the movement to the upside, and you do not want to do that. You want to wait for the price itself to tell you what it's about to do with the TSDWSY S08 trading system, and then you will follow the price. So the key is that you keep your eyes wide open, waiting for the price itself, the #1 indicator, to show you exactly where the price is going, and then you keep drawing your lines. Okay, you keep drawing your lines. Simple. Okay, keep drawing. Okay, nothing is stopping you to draw your lines. Okay, nothing is stopping you to draw your lines. Okay, nothing. Okay, so you keep drawing your channels, projection, projection, projection. Okay, so you see the picture now. I hope you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing here. So there was a channel here. You see the price watching, blah 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 blah, came out. You project it. You see here, and then you can do exactly the same thing again here if my charting allow me to draw that. Okay, So again, somewhere here we have a level here. You see how the price went above it, only to come back and retest this level here, and nothing stopping you to draw another one here to know the next level. That's how you will approach your technical analysis, but you need the tool, the TSTWSYS08 trading system at a hot spot trading zone. You do not trade in a void, you locate the hot spot trading zone, waiting for your clear-cut signal. This is the best approach to trading. Looking at the monthly chart, we're now going to go and look on the monthly chart. So we go from the daily chart, we went to the weekly chart, now we go to the monthly chart to see a different picture. So we do not get into conclusion on one particular time frame. So the price again is displaying a kind of double top in this zone of the weekly chart. This is a hot spot trading zone. We are again in a hot spot trading zone, like the general market. Like I said to you, this Exxon Mobile is following the Dow Jones, the general market. But do not forget crude oil, and then also do not forget the economy news. The situation in Libya is affecting the general market. If there is too much mess in Libya right now, the crude oil will continue movement to the upside, meaning that the Exxon Mobile also will continue movement to the upside. You do not stop at Exxon Mobile alone. You will pay attention to crude oil and the general market, because Exxon Mobile is dealing with crude oil. That's why this movement, you can see the price went up here. You can draw on this monthly chart, your channel again. Do not stop drawing on your chart. Nothing is stopping you to continue to draw on your chart. That's what the professional are doing, and keep drawing, okay? You see, keep drawing. The same thing we see here. You see this edge here. Sometimes it's so easy to draw the channel, because now my apology for this. Okay, now I'm getting there. Okay, the price came back and retested the channel like I show you on the weekly chart. Okay, you can perfectly project again there. So we are again we are in a hot spot trading zone, but the price is now again also at the edge of this channel here. So how do you do that? Where the price is about to go? This is the question. Is it going to go down? Is it going to go up? You don't know, but you need the tools that will tell you, yes, it's now going up, yes, it's now going down, before you will participate in the direction of the market. Okay, this is it. This is a technical analysis regarding Exxon Mobile. I hope you enjoyed this video also, that you will put into practice in order to cream the market consistently. Thank you for watching, and speak to you very soon. We are the TSTW SYS 008 traders.